Dear survivor, this message is to you. I want you to know that you're one of the most amazing and inspiring human I know. I also want you to know that you are strong. And if you feel like you're hearing that word for the millionth time, just that you know, not a lot of people are called strong. I also know there's a lot of bad people in this world, but there are also a lot of good. And I hope you meet more good than bad. I want you to stay healthy. I want you to stay ambitious. I hope you find what you love to do, and I hope you continue to do what you love to do. I hope that when you were having a bad day, for something small and sweet to pop up and to brighten up your day. I wish you all the best, and I hope to one day meet you. Thank you.